Good morning and welcome to Walking in Circles with Heidi Gammill, aka Nest Pretty. Walking in circles from the floor in my bedroom. It's another blustery day here, and I thought you probably won't be able to hear me if I was walking in circles outside. And I just did a workout in my living room, and one thing she said was that she was sweating from her eyeballs. And then she said, "But I'm not mad at it." And I thought, oh, that's so good, because I hear so many women talk about sweat as if it's a negative thing. And even like trying to figure out when you're going to exercise, so much of it has to do with, well, I'm going to sweat and then it's going to mess up my hair and then I have to shower and all that thing. But how awesome if you change your mindset about sweat. Don't be mad at it. Celebrate it. It's such a good thing. It helps to detoxify your body. And so just, a little mindset twist can be so helpful. It made me also think about sweat equity and how you can start off your day like in the positive when it comes to how you feel, what you're thinking, just setting yourself up for a really great day by putting the sweat equity in first thing in the morning. And that's the way you can have $1 million day. That's what I'm talking about, is just feeling like $1 million by putting in the sweat equity first thing in the morning. I know for me, I got up really early this morning and I chose to sit with my coffee first, sit quietly. I was reading, I was praying and just chilling. But the longer you do that, the clock is ticking, and so then you're like, oh, I better get to exercising, otherwise it's not going to happen. So even just for a half hour, even just a walk, even just a quick run, it sets me up for a really great day. So that's what I have for you today. Reevaluate how you feel about your sweat. View it as currency. You are putting sweat equity into your day so that you have the best day. So this is Heidi from Running in Circles. Running in Circles is about the little steps that you have to take every day to reach your goals. And those cannot be discounted. I mean, they're necessary. So I hope that you have a fantastic day working toward your goals. Don't forget about that. There is a 14-day self-love challenge in my bio. The link is up there. It's just little reminders to help us to take really good care of ourselves. If you don't do it, no one's going to do it for you. Also, in my Facebook group, I did last week a 5-day self-care challenge. It's in the guide section. It's always there. I hope you take something away from it that encourages you or inspires you to take really good care of yourself. I hope you have a fantastic day. Go crush your goals 1/4 mile at a time. Bye.